be appropriate perhaps to ask Scott to come up and say a few words, who is a helicopter pilot and veteran himself. Scott, please.
Thank you. My name is Scott Wider, and I'm with Standard Solar, and we're very happy to be here to help support this project. When Bob called and he said, hey, we've got this project, actually one of our investors called me and said, hey, Scott, I don't want to get you, it's up to you if you want to do it or not. We got a helicopter pilot. I said, we're in. As soon as he said that, I said, we're in. So we're very happy to be here, and I'm so grateful that we could help participate in this. So, a little solar 101, for those of you who don't know, since solar is just now catching on in Virginia, and we need to change that and try to get some more solar into Virginia. So what we have here is a 6.9 kW or kilowatt system that's going to convert the sun into energy. It first converts it to DC or direct current. It goes through something called an inverter, which is going to convert that to the AC power that's used in the house. During the day, it will actually export power onto the grid, and the neighbors here will enjoy the clean power, and it's the exact same power that they're pulling off the grid. And then at night, when the solar's obviously not producing, Brian and his family will pull power in from the grid, but it'll be offset by the power that was exported during the day. So that's how a solar system in a nutshell works. No moving parts. Panels are guaranteed for 20 plus years. So it's a very good source of electricity, and what we need to do is get more of it out there, because it has other benefits beyond just the benefits it brings Brian. It does bring benefits to the grid where it offsets some of the load being put onto the grid. So that's my Solar 101 for those of you who aren't familiar with solar. So today is all about Brian and his family. I don't want to sell the company or anything. We're here for Brian. So the only words of advice I have for Brian as a fellow Army aviator is this saying I learned in flight school served me well even after flight school. You keep the brown side down and the blue side up. I've used that throughout my career. So I have, although he is an Apache pilot, we all know that Black Hawk pilots are better than Apache pilots. So it's my privilege and pleasure to introduce Brian Haas. Like I said, he was a Apache pilot in the Army, maintenance test pilot, just an all-around good guy. So Brian, thank you for your service, and I'm glad you're home to enjoy this home. Come on in.